Arjun lived in a small town called Willow Creek. He loved spending his weekends in a quiet little bookstore. The store was old but cozy, with books stacked from floor to ceiling. One Saturday afternoon, while browsing through the shelves, Arjun noticed a young woman struggling to reach a book on a high shelf. Let me help you, Arjun offered with a smile. The woman turned around, surprised but grateful. Thank you, she said softly. Arjun reached up and easily grabbed the book for her. My name is Arjun, he introduced himself. I'm Maya, she replied, holding the book close to her chest. Arjun noticed that Maya had a kind face and gentle eyes. What book are you looking for? He asked. Maya showed him the book. I love reading about history, she explained. It's fascinating to learn about the past. Arjun smiled. I like history too, but I mostly read fiction. It's a way to escape reality sometimes. They continued talking about books and soon realized they had a lot in common. They both enjoyed quiet places, long walks, and the sound of rain. I usually come here every Saturday, Arjun said. Maybe I'll see you around? Maya nodded, smiling. I'd like that. Over the next few weeks, Arjun and Maya met at the bookstore often. They talked about everything books, music, their dreams, and even their fears. Maya found herself looking forward to these Saturdays more than anything else. One day, after spending hours in the bookstore, Arjun suggested, would you like to go for a walk in the park? Maya agreed, and they strolled through the park, enjoying the cool breeze and the sound of birds chirping. As they walked, Arjun felt a connection with Maya that he hadn't felt with anyone else. He admired her kindness and the way her eyes lit up when she talked about things she loved. Maya felt the same way. She found comfort in Arjun's presence and felt safe when he was around. They laughed and shared stories, feeling as if they had known each other for years. As the sun set, they sat on a bench, watching the sky change colors. I feel like I can tell you anything, Maya said softly. Arjun turned to her and replied, I feel the same. It's like we were meant to meet. One Saturday, Arjun decided to ask Maya out on a proper date. Maya, would you like to have dinner with me tonight? He asked nervously. Maya's face brightened. I'd love to, she replied. They went to a small, charming restaurant in town. The place was quiet, with soft music playing in the background. They talked and laughed, sharing their favorite childhood memories and future plans. After dinner, they walked by the creek where the moon reflected on the water. Arjun stopped and looked at Maya. Maya, I've really enjoyed spending time with you these past few weeks. You make me feel happy in a way I haven't felt in a long time. Maya smiled, her heart beating faster. I feel the same, Arjun. I'm glad we met. Without thinking, Arjun gently took her hand. They continued walking in comfortable silence, feeling a new closeness between them. As the weeks turned into months, Arjun and Maya spent more time together. They went on picnics, watched movies, and even cooked meals together. Each moment brought them closer. One evening, they sat on the rooftop of Arjun's house, watching the stars. Arjun, do you believe in fate? Maya asked, her voice barely a whisper. Arjun thought for a moment. I didn't used to, but now I do. Meeting you feels like fate. Maya smiled and leaned her head on his shoulder. I'm glad fate brought us together. They stayed there, under the stars, holding each other close. It was in that quiet moment that they both realized they had fallen in love. A few days later, Arjun decided it was time to tell Maya how he truly felt. He wanted her to know that she was more than just a friend to him. He took her to the park where they had first walked together. They sat on the same bench, and Arjun took a deep breath. Maya, there's something I need to tell you. Maya looked at him, her eyes filled with curiosity. What is it, Arjun? I love you, Maya, Arjun confessed, his heart racing. I've loved you since the day we met in the bookstore. You make me feel alive, and I can't imagine my life without you. Maya's eyes welled up with tears. She had been waiting for this moment. I love you too, Arjun, she replied, her voice trembling. I've loved you for so long. You make me feel safe and happy. They hugged each other tightly, feeling a wave of happiness wash over them. In that moment, they knew they were meant to be together. From that day on, Arjun and Maya were inseparable. They continued to explore life together, facing challenges and celebrating victories hand in hand. One evening, while watching the sunset, Arjun took Maya's hand and said, I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Will you marry me? Maya's eyes filled with tears of joy. Yes, Arjun. I want to spend my life with you too. They hugged each other, knowing they had found their forever in each other. It was the beginning of a new chapter in their love story, one filled with love, happiness, and endless adventures. And so, Arjun and Maya's love story continued, proving that sometimes a chance meeting in a small bookstore can lead to a lifetime of love and happiness.